Hey guys, Usman here and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account and start promoting their products. So you're going to go to Google and type in Amazon Associates Program. Click on this link, affiliate-program.amazon.com, and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. As you can see, there's 3 steps basically. You sign up for an account, then you recommend products with your unique affiliate link, and then you can earn up to 10% commissions from every qualifying purchases and programs. So you're going to scroll down and click on the sign up button and click on create your Amazon account. Now I'm not going to create an Amazon account because I already have an Amazon account, but you would simply enter your name, email, password, re-enter the password and follow through the process, and you'll have an Amazon affiliate account ready. So simply log into your account using the information and you'll be taken to a dashboard that looks like this. You can see the site strip at the top where you can basically click on it and you can see your earnings and reports on this page. So here you'll see all of your earnings, all of the sales you've made, and I highly recommend that you go over the privacy and the terms of conditions for Amazon to avoid getting your account suspended. So make sure you read the terms and conditions, and in order to promote products, you can click on any product that you want to promote. Let's say I'll click on this one. So let's assume that you want to promote this product. You will need to generate what's called an affiliate link. So you can come over here where it says get links and click on the text button, and you'll have a full link or the short link. I recommend you use the short link. And one thing to remember is you're not allowed to cloak Amazon affiliate links. So some people will use tools like Pretty Link or other link cloaking software to cloak the Amazon links, and their account gets suspended because it's against the terms and conditions of Amazon to cloak your affiliate links. So once you have this, all you need to do is share this link with other people, and each time somebody buys, you'll get a commission. So there's 2 ways of promoting Amazon products. Number 1, you can build a website, what's called an Amazon niche site, and basically do SEO and rank it in Google and recommend this product in your articles. So that's number 1. And the second way of promoting products is through YouTube videos. You can create a YouTube channel and do what's called product review videos, and in the description you'll simply paste this link, and every time somebody purchases you'll get a commission. So that's how you promote Amazon products. Also do remember that Amazon offers only 2 to 3% commissions per sale, which is pretty low. So if you want to learn how to promote high ticket products with affiliate marketing where you get like $500 to $1,000 commission per sale, I do have a link in the description where you can check out the training. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you in another one. Thank you.